55 coming back at you, folks. Is that snow coming down again? Focus, power. Man, it's a blizzard, folks. It's gotta be at least 15 inches on the ground, folks. How am I gonna make it home from the grocery store, folks? How is 55 gonna drive through this blizzard? How is Double Nickels gonna make it home? Will this be another episode? Will there be another episode of Shovel 55 tomorrow? Look at all this snow, folks. I think there could be another episode of Shovel 55. Ooh, it's coming down now, folks. Look at that snow, huh? Look at that snow, Elbow, huh? Look at that snow, 9000 series. You guys couldn't drive in that, huh? Look at this parking lot. There's got to be at least 3 feet of snow. Huh? Look at that. That definitely is Snow Shovel 55 material, folks, tomorrow. And with that being said, BERGS is out.